I don't remember having a big send-off like this when I left home.
Well, that's because you never left. Oh.
Darren, Frank's forgotten her ballet shoes.
Oh, no.
She's going to be devastated to first class tomorrow.
Well, we can catch her at the station.
Tony, my car's on the back road and I can't drive.
And I'm well over the limit.
I'm flattered.
I'm not.
Oh, come on, it's dark and you've only just got your licence back.
It'll be fine. Jack can navigate. Come on, Jack.
Jack, what? He's 3 sheets to the wind.
Yeah, I wouldn't trust him to navigate.
Lily, would you go with them? Come on, it made me feel so much better.
Yeah, no problem. Okay.
Shall I go with him then?
No, you should go home. You're flattered.
Oh, right. Kebab?
Hey, I don't know why I haven't seen it before. Tony and Leila, she'd be great with the kids.
Hip to the hip hop, and you don't stop the rock to the bang bang boogie. Say up, drop the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie to beat.
Sing it, baby!
All right, okay, got supplies then.
Oh, thank you very much.
I don't think you two need any more than you've already had.
So boring.
Well, someone needed to stay sober to drive.
What am I going to do without you, Vic?
Oh, don't be daft. I'm visiting first chance I get. I want to check out all them men in tights.
I am here, you know.
Don't worry, darling. If I'd rather a man with wheels than ballet shoes.
I've left my ballet shoes at the party. We're going to have to turn around because I can't go without them.
Right, it's fine. I'll just turn around here.
I'm such an idiot.
It's fine.
Can't believe I've done that. I'm going to miss my train.
It's fine. I've just put my foot down a bit.
Right, okay.
Come on, mate. We've got a train to catch.
Look at this idiot.
Oh, come on, mate. We've got...
Go round it.
What is this guy doing?
Loads of room.
I've not got loads of room.
Come on, Tommy, such a big patient.
Right, Frankie, stop.
You can on-call it likes.
Jonah, just pull over to the side and let him pass.
I'm not pulling up, all coming off up here and can wait.
Get back, idiot!
What, Caleb? Get your seatbelt back on.
My phone's died, I need my charger.
Get your seatbelt back on.
Support information for the issues raised can be found online.